Damn, this is gonna destroy a lot of relationships. Did I just hack WhatsApp? Hell nah. So what did I do? I only just found a loophole to get access into WhatsApp. So we all know that WhatsApp has a biometric system which you can put in place if you choose to. That's each time you want to launch your app, you just place your fingerprint and your app opens. Now what does this do? It helps you from having your privacy being invaded by anyone who just grabs onto your phone and wants to go through your WhatsApp and is like, oh yeah, I got on the phone so I can go through the WhatsApp. So that prevents that. Now, you think you're safe with that, right? Nah, you're not. So why do I say you're not safe? There is a way of bypassing access into your WhatsApp by just a simple step. So how do you bypass this? This can only be possible if someone already has access to your phone. What does this person do? It goes to the setting, goes to add fingerprints, and adding his own fingerprint, the phone is tricked to think that that fingerprint is yours. So voila, it's into your WhatsApp and he's going through your text. Damn, this is gonna destroy a lot of relationships. So how do you avoid this from happening? All you just have to do is try as much as possible not to give people your phone, watching who you give your phone to, and try as much as possible not to give everyone your phone. And if you're giving someone your phone, know what he's doing. Always keep an eye down. Don't just let your phone go and think, oh, it's fine. Not in the world we are now. So you always have to stay smart. So for more tips and tricks, subscribe for more.